Hello, my dear students and everyone who is watching the video. This is Praveen Trivedi with Paradigm Consultancy, the Talent Solutions, Patient, Proficiency and Pathway. So let us discuss what the Paradigm is designed, what actually our pedagogy is, how we are helping and facilitating our aspirants in the direction of making a perfect choice as far as their subject stream is concerned, as far as the career stream is concerned, and which is completely based on the specific observations, readings, and we can say the diagnosis with the help of specific assessment tests which are supposed to be given, for which the aspirants are supposed to be appear, and definitely on the basis of that reading the recommendations shall be provided. The aspirants will be easily we can say identify themselves and discover their talent and expertise, which will help them away a lot. Paradigm simply a distinct set of concepts and thought patterns, and helping in giving the direction towards the brilliance, towards the achievement, towards the excellence. Paradigm, it is online offline counseling platform providing the personalized learning and identifying experiences to its aspirants using the artificial intelligence powered mapping and gauging techniques. So, Paradigm Vision, we are competent, we are efficient, cataloged and coordinated. We are going to provide the oversight to the students and help and guide them towards the achievement. We do have our own techniques and testings which will help in making the observations and readings, which help in the making the analysis and recommendations further. We help our aspirants in finding out their latent expertise. Our values: paramount service, credible consultation, resilient exposure towards the future career. Paradigm, our strength: we merge the artificial intelligence and machine learning with human arbitrations to enable the career success. So definitely we will help you to choose your right path out of the, we can say, hundreds of options, career options, stream combinations and career lanes which are available, which will help you. We will help you. Paradigm, we are the most progressive platform for on and offline career assessment, career guidance and career counseling, designed for specifically school college going students as well as the graduates and undergraduate students. We help you to discover your ideal career through our multifaceted career assessment and innovative approach to career counseling and career guidance. My dear students, what is actually the career assessment? We are going to have the convenient and relevant tests which will be designed to recognize where your solitary set of strength, aptitude and skills are lying upon, and definitely recommending the right careers for you. Paradigm, the academic and career counseling assessment program, is an online test which help in appraising you on various parameters across the 5 dimensions, including your personality, 10 facet dimensions, your proficiency, yeah, to say the brain acumen, the 10 facet, it is the train brain functional areas and your proficiencies across all train areas. Skill and aptitude test, 14 facet, what interest do you have? We will discuss. We will have a conversation about career competency. The 19 career streams are there available. How your competency is there, falling for all that 19 stream along with the top 3 career streams. So, you will be getting a complete career development report which will be consisting 70 pages along with all such readings and observations. Career counseling, what happened at Paradigm? We are offering the opinion, support and guide you in selecting the right stream after grade 10 or the right career after grade 12 and graduation. So definitely the career confusions, the doubts, they are all, if suppose it is there in your mind, so it may alter you, it may disturb you, it may upset you. So it has become very important to get the right and reliable support to resolve it right now. So Paradigm, explore different career options along with their scope, colleges, opportunities, admission procedures, etc. The top colleges. At Paradigm, you can rest assured that you will be getting the most decisive and stable advice and guidance for your career. Peridium, what actually is happening? Sentiment, sentiment, that is your interest, that is your passion. Then skill, what kind of the aptitude do you have, what aptitude do you possess? Accordingly, the stream selection can be done. Then what are the courses available in the higher studies, which are the colleges to join, what are the different admission procedures, and along with that, in the last, the career options available. So grade 8 and 9, 10 and 9 students, what actually the scenario is there? Grades are not satisfactory some of the time, the random interest across the subjects, the mediocre concentrations, unaware and uninformed of the competitions and career in future. So we can discuss them all. Grade 10 students, the landmark, the board exam is there. The turning point, grade 10, this is the turning point in the journey of academics and professional success in the life of a student, of an individual. The subject domain is to be selected. Then afterwards, correlation. What is the correlation between the stress, skill, and the stream? The correlation is to be understood, it is to be explored, so that you will be in a better position to make your decision and perfect choices. The state of coercion, stress, and intimidation. This is actually the stress. You are there, you have to make the decision, you have to do the studies, you have to final the ambition, you have to just make a perfect choice. So we will be helping you away. Grade 11, 12. What happened to the students here? The detailed, wide and expanded syllabus. A lot of syllabus is there to be studied in grade 11, whatever be the subject combination which has been chosen last year. Hazy outlook of the goal. Definitely, number of goals are there surrounding you. A plethora of opportunities is there. So we will be helping you in making the choice of the selected plans. Board performance hardship required. There will be strain developed for making the studies. Board exams are there. And we can see endless what, when, can, and then kind of the questions are there in the mind of the students which are going in grade 11 and 12 or college movers. So we will be helping, we will be giving you the answers for all that what, when, can, and then, so that you will be more confident and competent enough to make the perfect choices and decisions for future. The graduates and undergraduate students, when you just get the graduation degree, then either you are thinking for making the tie-up with some of the company, or to go for the post graduation, or after that graduation go for the MBA. If suppose MBA, then which domain is to be we can say which domain is to be applied for. So these are some of the questions with graduate students. If suppose tie-up is there, then what are the opportunities available? Which particular opportunities to be available for? What is the trend in the market? What kind of the demands are there? If suppose tie-up is there, then if suppose you want to go for promotion, for jumping, then what kind of the specialization is to be availed? What salary will be provided to me? What kind of the satisfaction from the job? Tie-up will also be require certain other features like suppose acceptance to the company, acceptance to the particular work profile, your stability, then compatibility. So we are there to help you away. If suppose you are there in the profession also, if suppose you make the tie-up, so if what kind of the specialization will be suit you, what kind of the match will be there, we will be helping you. This is the product basket as we have discussed in our other videos also. The strong persona trait where you are good at identification and discovery. The holistic percentile across the 10 brain functional areas. The top rated skills, what are the top 3 rated skills for skills with you, and what is your status with all the 8 skill areas? Top 3 career options, skill versus interest based as we have discussed in the graphical representation. Career reference map, career selection across the 19 career stream. Your stain will be just provided to you. The 19 skills of career streams available in India. This is the product basket. Another percentile intelligence, social and physical question readings will be given to you. Then 8-dimensional skill wise percentile will be given. 360-degree profile, fitness with or for the 16 remaining career stream other than the top 3 career stream. Course duration, colleges, admissions, procedures, entrance exams, and eligibility. This is the machine learning power detailed career guidance report containing 70 pages and giving you all the different readings as we have discussed in our videos, psychometric tests, the career test, the assessment for aptitude, persona, etc. The analysis and recommendations, the skill gap fulfillment interventions, list of top colleges, courses available, the stream selection, help you in selection of the stream at the grade 10. So, this is the complete report will be given to you. Career guidance, exploration and support. The process of career exploration and decision making can be particularly stressful during the time at your senior secondary year. So Peridium has designed the counseling program keeping all such requirement of you in the center to help making the correct choices. Assessment tests for identifying, determining and discovering the interest, aptitude, skill, proficiency. Career talks will be arranged to create awareness and giving exposure. Career counseling session for you as well as for your family or your parents. Guidance and assistance for making a synchronization of the studies and preparation of board exam and competitive exam all together. Grade 12 students. Self-awareness and self-management program. Self-awareness and self-management are the first step towards making a self-driven student who can easily manage their academic stress and career exploration with equal felicity. So definitely we will be helping you away in making you self-aware and self-management, how to make the exploration of our qualities, of our proficiencies, of our skill and related matching opportunities in studies as well as in the profession. So dear students, these are some of the, we can say, the pattern how we are going to help you out in making you self-aware and self-driven. So thank you for joining us on the video. These are our contact detail. You can talk to us. We are available online. You can WhatsApp us, you can mail us, and we will be organizing the session and discuss in detail regarding whatever the different readings and observations are concerned for you and for achieving the best. So be best. Thank you very much for joining the video. And I would just like to request you that my channel Pedagogy of Wisdom on YouTube, there is a complete series of the videos available. You can just go all along one after the other so that you will come to know regarding our programs, regarding the different testings and techniques we are going to apply. Thank you very much.